Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Commerce Catalyst. In last video, we have discussed the origin of transaction. Today we are going to start journal. So what is the journal? The basic books of accounting. What is the journal? The basic books of accounting. So what is journal? A journal is a chronological record of financial transactions of business. A journal is a chronological record of transaction of business. So chronological like a earliest to latest, earliest to latest. This is the chronological terms used of journal. So first is the books of original entry. Books of the original entry. It is also called primary 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 entry. Primary entry. Books of original entry. It is also called primary entry. So what is journal? Journal is the basic books of accounting. Basic books of accounting. It means journal is the part of accounting. Journal is the part of accounting. So a journal is a chronological record of financial transactions of the business. Financial transaction. जितने भी फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड ट्रांजैक्शन होगा उसे हम जर्नल में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे और उसको क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में करेंगे अर्लीस्ट टू लेटेस्ट. Now the term used of journal. So what is the terms used? The books of original entry. It is also called primary entry. It is also called primary entry. And second one is that the journal entry. What is the journal entry? A entry made is known as journal entry. Entry made. Entry made from source documents. From source documents. Got it? And now the journalizing. What is the journalizing? This is the processing. This is the processing. Journalizing. This is the processing. 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 And this is the posting. So what is the posting? Posting is also called ledger. Ledger. And statement also. Statement. Ledger account or the statement account. A statement. The statement. Ledger account. Statement. Statement. Ledger account. Here is used the HHWD. HHWD. HHWD means hand to hand without delay. Hand to hand without delay. Ledger means in the posting. So if you made journal entry, so transfer to ledger account. So that is the hand to hand without delay. Hand to hand without delay. So these are the terms used of journal. These are the terms used of journal. The books of original entry. It is also called principal entry and primary entry. Original entry is a primary entry. Journal entry, entry made from source documents. So you understand very well कि, what is the journal entry. So entry made from source document. So source document, what is the source document? Source documents is the cash memo, invoice, correct, check, correct, pay in slip, correct. debit note, correct, credit note. So these are the source document. So on the basis of source documents, and that is the evidence, and make the journal entry, so that is called the journal entry. And now the generalizing, so this processing is called the generalizing. That it means processing, the processing. Processing. And this is the posting. So posting means ledger account. Ledger account. So if once made the journal entry, then we transfer the concerned account, like a cash account debit to capital account. So cash account to capital account and capital account in the by cash account. We are discussed later on. Now the what is the functions? So the three functions is here. So number one is the maintaining chronological record of transactions. Maintaining chronological record of transaction. Chronological, earliest to latest. Earliest to earliest to latest. Chronological record. Maintain and analyze the transaction. Transactions analyze, means evaluate the transaction. Means either debit, either debit or credit. Credit. So this is the analyzing, evaluate the transaction. So where is putting the cash account and where is the capital account. So either debit or credit, and basis of ledger posting. So that is the posting. That is the posting. Ledger account. Ledger account. Ledger account. These are the functions of journal. These are the functions of journal. Maintaining chronological record of transaction. Okay, earliest to latest. Chronological earliest to latest, and analyze the transaction, evaluate the transactions, and basis of ledger posting. And now the once is the money measurement concept. So money measurement concept in terms of money. Suppose I'll give one example here. Example: started business with cash rupees 10 lakhs. Make a journal entry. So books of original entry, that is the primary entry, and started business with the cash rupees 10 lakhs. So we will discuss later on briefly, but now I'll give an example. So in this transaction, we have two things. One is the cash account and another one is the capital account. Suppose this business started Ram started business with cash rupees 10 lakhs, and Ram given to Ram and Company. Ram given to Ram and Company. It means books of account is the Ram and Company. So we make a journal entry in the books of Ram and Company. Suppose this is the in the books of Ram and Company. Ram and Company. So what will be the journal entries? Journal entry is the simple, because Ram given to money Ram and Company for a started business. So in this transaction, cash is coming. So cash is coming. So cash is a assets. What? Assets. And because money, actual money, Ram and entity concept said that business has separate from businessman. Entity concept said that business has separate from businessman. So Ram given to money, Ram and company, and Ram and company is liable to pay that 10 lakhs rupees to Ram. So in this case, in this transaction two things happen. One is the cash is assets and another one is a capital account is a liabilities. Liabilities. So entry will be like what? Cash account debit to capital account. How much? 10 lakhs. This is the 10 lakhs showing the money measurement concept. If any transaction in terms of money, so this is the 10 lakhs rupees cash account debit to capital account. This is the journal entries, and we will discuss briefly in later.